Here I'm going to show you how to start making money with the Coin app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First download the Coin app, then you should open the app and you will see these 3 slides that are some introductions to the app. When you open it, it says congrats, you have just downloaded the most powerful app for earning anywhere you go in the world. Please review this short tutorial to learn about the app features before getting started with Coin. The second one is how Coin works. With Coin, you will start earning right away for simply having it installed. You can earn even more by sharing location data, playing games, and completing various tasks as they become available. Plus 1000 Coin. Woohoo! You use the special link when downloading Coin. To get started on the right foot, we are sending you 1000 Coin for free for new accounts only. And you just have to tap on collect. And here you have to sign up to the app, and then you can start earning money right away. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.